Namaste everyone. Let's start with left foot firmly pressed on the floor, stretching left arm up to ceiling, and right elbow inside of the elbow is facing the right one. Holding right foot from inside. Inside is very close to the big toe. Okay, this will help you to kick leg back a little more higher with that external rotation. If you hold foot from outside, you will close the shoulder, and then kicking high might not happen too effectively. Okay, so we want to hold foot from inside. Make sure inside of elbow is facing right wall, and we are stretching the right leg up to ceiling without changing anything else. So stretching the right thigh, getting the arch right first. Left arm comes forward, chin over left shoulder, and then start to kick right leg high. Focus on right foot and continue reaching up. Keep left foot stronger, and we can lean forward if you're really stable enough. Keep your bandhas active, navel tight, maybe pelvic floor also. Try to come out same way, so shift knees together, left arm up, and we release. Okay, take few long exhalation, catching the breath first. And let's watch the pose from the front now, so you can see the hip alignment properly. So checking 2 hip bones are facing forward. I'm holding right foot from inside. Kicking leg first, left arm comes forward second. Once we have a proper arch, I start to lean forward with the bandhas and raising the right leg high. What we don't want to do is moving thigh to the right one, okay? That way you will surely lose the balance. Okay, so what we don't want to do is this. Opening the thigh is not going to help you in balancing the pose. So we are closing thigh, keeping hips in line, and then creating arch, reaching up. If you see my arm position, my arms are almost in one line. So left arm forward, right arm back, and no change on the hip. There is a twist above the navel. If you see from the side again, hips in the center, no change, and little twist above navel, and stretching left arm forward, right arm back. Okay, there will be a little twist. Second very common mistake is without stretching the thigh, leaning forward. Okay, so what will happen now is there is no arch on the spine. And even if you try arching, kicking leg up will become very difficult after leaning forward. Okay, so let me show you on the other side now. I'm pressing right foot, holding left foot from inside, and I'm kicking the leg back first to stretch my hip flexor, keeping right thigh really strong and active. So now I have arch first, stretching right arm forward. You can stay here only if you are steady enough. We can try leaning forward. So what I like to do is I'm focusing mentally on my left foot to kick it even more high, keeping the bandhas, navel, and pelvic floor tight. Always reversing the pose. So knees together, releasing arm, and then coming back to the stillness. Balancing poses can test your patience. So if you get frustrated when you lose balance, know that that's the area you are supposed to work at. I hope you find this helpful. I'll see you in the next video.